Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed that your skin just doesn't look the same anymore? Maybe small lines, a lack of firmness, or a dull and tired appearance have started to bother you. That's completely normal. Age, stress, sleepless nights, and even pollution all leave their marks on our skin. But imagine if there was a natural solution designed to help restore elasticity, glow, and firmness to your skin from the inside out. A solution that doesn't just hide imperfections on the surface, but actually works at the root, helping your body boost collagen and elastin production. The proteins responsible for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. This approach has been changing the way many women care for their skin. Instead of relying only on creams or invasive procedures, this solution provides deep hydration, improves skin texture, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and brings back that radiant, healthy glow. It's not about temporary cover-ups. It's about transformation that starts within. Women of different ages are reporting incredible results. Skin that looks firmer, more hydrated, more radiant, and visibly younger. Whether your skin has been affected by stress, time, or environmental factors, this method supports your body in a natural and safe way, helping you feel confident again when you look in the mirror. If you've been searching for a way to bring back firmness, elasticity, and youthful energy to your skin, this may be the solution you've been waiting for. And here's the best part. We've made a free video available so you can learn more about how this works and why so many women are already seeing results. Don't miss the chance to discover it for yourself. Click now and watch the free video to uncover the secret to firmer, more radiant skin.